Good morning, students. Today we discuss the question number 4th, 5th and 6th of exercise 13.1, in which the question number 4th is the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area is equal to 9.375 meter square. This is the area which should be painted with the paint contained in a container. So how many bricks of dimensions of brick? This is length 22.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container. So first we find area of one brick. Area of one brick is 2. This is the total surface area. 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So this is 2. L is 22.5. B is 10 plus 10. H is 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. So this is 2. This is 250. This is 750. When we multiply this is 75. This is by 10. This is 225. So this is 225 plus 225. 225 multiply 75. 25, 12. This is 11. 35. This is 17. This is 15. So 5, 7, 8, 6, 1. This is 168.75. When we add these all, this is 225, 75, 168.75. This is 75. This is 10, 18, 13, 15, 16. This is 4. So this is 2 into 468.75. When we multiply this is 10, 14, this is 15, 16, this is 17, this is 12, this is 13, 9. So 937.5 centimeter square is the area. So let the number of bricks painted is equals to n and its total area is number of bricks into this is 1. So the total area is 9.375 centimeter square. We convert it into centimeter square. This is meter square. We convert into centimeter square. This is centimeter square. So n is 9.375 into 100 divided by 937.5. Remove this point. There is 1000. So this is 9375. There is 10 into this is 10,000. These three zeros are cancelled. This is also cancelled. This is equal to 100. So the number of bricks are 100, which is to be painted with the help of this container. In question number 5, the statement is a cubical box has edge of 10 centimeter and another cubical box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area? So edge of first box is 10 centimeter. So its lateral surface area is 4 into edge square 10 square, which is 400 centimeter square. So length of another box is 12.5, breadth is 10 and h is 8. So its lateral surface area is 2 L plus B into h. This is 2, L is 12.5 plus 10, h is 8. So this is 16 into 22.5. So this equals to 16 5 is 80, 16 2 is 32, which is 40. So this is 32 36. So 360 centimeter square is the lateral surface area of box second. So the lateral surface area of first box is greater by how much? This means 400 minus 360. So 40 centimeter square is the area which is greater than second box. So first box has area, lateral surface area 400, second has 360. This means the first box has greater area as compared to second. How much means? It's 40 centimeter greater. This is the area. In the second part of this question, the statement is, second part of this, which box has smaller total surface area? So first we find total surface area of box 1, which is 6 into h square. So h square is 10, this is 600 centimeter square, and total surface area of second box, that's box second, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2, length of box is 12.5, breadth is 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. So this is 125 plus 80, this is 40, 16, this is 20, so this is 10, which is 100. So this is 225, 225, this is 225 plus 80, this is 305. So this is 610 centimeter square. So the second box has greater area, first has smaller area. By how much means? 610 and 610 centimeter square. This means the second box has greater total surface area, which is 10 centimeter square. This is the answer. In next question, the statement is in third part, that's question number 6. The statement is, a smaller indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass beams held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long. This is the length. Breadth is 25 and the height is breadth is 25. Height is also 25. The question is, what is the area of glass? So area of glass is twice of LB plus BH plus HL. So this is 2. L is 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25, 25 into 30. This is 2. This is 750, 625, 750. This is 500, 1500, 2125. So this is 4250 centimeter square is the total area. How much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? This means tape required is twice of, this is the length plus breadth plus height. We tape this cubical box. So this is the figure. This is the cubical box. This is the box. We tape all around this edge. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is inner 6. So 12 edges. So 2, length is 30, breadth is 25 plus 25. This is 2, 30 plus 50. So this is 2 into 80. So 160 centimeter square is the total tape required. This is the answer. Thank you.